I'm going to show you how to install the guest editions for a Linux virtual machine, specifically Ubuntu. I'm running OS 10 Snow Leopard. I couldn't seem to find instructions for this online, so I'm creating my own tutorial. Alright, got VirtualBox. I'm going to do this with Ubuntu 9.10. I also did this with 10.04, Lucid Linux, but I'm going to do it with this one. Just so you know, it works on Lucid Linux also. So let's start this up. Wait for it to boot here. Okay, Ubuntu is loaded. And if you notice, one thing that's kind of irritating about this is you resize this and the screen doesn't get any bigger. I can go to my display preferences and I'm stuck at an 800 by 600 resolution. I can't go any higher as it is. I need to install the guest editions to make it be able to go bigger, and also to make this the experience within the Mac OS 10 host more seamless, so I don't have to capture the pointer like this then uncapture it. So it'll just smoothly go between them. I want to go up to Devices, install guest editions, and you'll see this nice little disk pop up. And hit OK. Now, it doesn't do anything on its own. It seems like it's made to run on its own, maybe on the Windows machine or something. So you open this up, and it's unclear exactly what you're supposed to open up. So I found, let's go to autorun.sh, run in terminal, and yes. And now we wait. Alright, so I hit return. And probably need to restart Linux here, because it's still stuck at 800 by 600. Let's restart Linux. Alright, we've restarted Linux here. Let's check out our display properties here. So our 872 by 676, strange resolution there. It doesn't give you any more options unless you just manually resize the window here, and it actually just automatically fits. So you can, I can make the resolution as big as my monitor is. You can see our display is at considerably higher resolution now. And so now I can run Linux full screen or larger screen. One cool thing you can do with the guest editions installed that you can't do without them installed is you can run the seamless mode. So go to Machine and Seamless Mode, and the desktop disappears, and now I just I've got my Linux bar up here, and then my Linux taskbar, or whatever they call it, down here, which is pretty handy. So I can go and run any kind of Linux application just on my Mac desktop here, which is kind of cool. And so that's the seamless mode. The guest editions also give you some good file sharing abilities and probably some other stuff I haven't even explored. So that's how you install the guest editions on a Mac OS 10 host for Ubuntu Linux. And again, this works for 10.04 Lucid Linux.